Hi everyone, my name is Kimberly, and today I'm going to be talking about the article that we were supposed to read and answering the questions for this week's discussion. The article that I'll be referring to is The Sex Objects, Athletes, and Sexy Athletes, and it's how media representations of women athletes in particular can impact adolescent girls and college women, and it is by Elizabeth Daniels. I actually really enjoyed reading this article. I thought it was very interesting, and a lot of the points that were made really made me think about how it affects myself and some of my friends without even really realizing it on a daily basis. But to get started, the first question is, how does Daniel's research intersect with the chapter readings this week? So this week we were assigned chapters 22 and 23 in our text. This particular article I thought related very much to chapter 22 about media and body image. So this chapter is basically saying how modern media is very influential when it comes to body image, especially in young women. There are some um, research out there that relate it to men also, but it seems to mainly affect women, unfortunately. So question 2 is, what is Daniel's hypothesis about the impact of images of women athletes on girls and women? So Daniels, she brings up some good points in her article. She first proposes that non-sexualized media images of women athletes may positively impact female viewers. So that's kind of her main stance for her research. She wanted to see if these non-sexual media images of women athletes can be actually like positive to adolescent girls. Um, Her reasoning behind that was very little was known about girls' and women's responses to media with an instrumental focus. She wanted to see if the type of media shift in girls' and women's attention from their appearance to their physical abilities. Um, she also says in the article that while existing research suggests that adolescent girls and women may respond similarly to objectified media, little is known about potential age differences in response to other type of media. So that was kind of her whole hypothesis about this. So question 3 asks, what sorts of images of women athletes does the author find have a positive effect on girls? Um, so basically, what her hypothesis was about, and how she wanted to, she proposed that non-sexualized media images may positively affect or impact female viewers. So that's the type of images that of women athletes that she thinks would have a positive impact, is showing these women athletes in not so much a sexual way, but actually being athletic and portraying a healthy body image. And let's see, question 4. How can Christians use this type of research to share biblical and Christian worldview perspectives? So this it was a really good way to promote a healthy body image for young girls. I think that the way that she wrote this um, article was very tasteful, and she kind of went against what the popular belief system is. In today's media, it seems that sex sells, so everything is always geared towards having that sexual aspect to it. So this kind of goes against it, and it aligns with having a biblical and Christian worldview, in that things can still be popular, but just in a tasteful way.